just to sit down and take a pot. Come on, we gotta go. Let's get it going. This is the cluster. Oh, I up. Oh. Whoa. You just made it. This is a...
Let's see your shirt. Let's see your shirt. What?
Stop.
So you're gonna add your mix to your waffle maker. You're gonna wait, and that's not supposed to. Oh no.
Right, where you just like flip them over. Oh, but they're already gonna come off, so this is this is not... Okay, well, oh no! It fell in the chicken! Oh, in the juicy!
Hey! Hey, you can't park there! You can't park there!
I'm hanging over the edge. Babe, sorry. Oh, babe. Okay. Stop, babe. Bam. Oh my god.
Are you okay?
Oh my god, bro!
Yo! Yo! Yo!
2, 1!
Ooh. You okay?
Yeah, that hurt.
For safety.
Oh, there it is.
Who eats this?
plastic part dropped in.
You okay?
I got on video.
Uh-oh, Joey, get! Uh-oh!
Wasn't that awesome? Yeah, Dad, do it!
Oh my gosh.
Can you help me?
Wait, why?
Oh, she's still clenching her shit. Oh, she wildin'. She about to clench it again. Yo, what the f is she doing? Yeah, she dumb as hell. Like, how you keep trying to back out, but you turning the stand wheel, clenching her shit up? Like, what the f? Nah, you f that up, baby. They ain't coming off. When Aisha